Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you get discount coupons for JD Sports, that is a sports website. How can you get discount in the JD Sports products and also JD Sports subscription. So in this video, the process will be the same for every discount coupon code video. Where you can find these kind of coupon codes, that is Google Chrome, or in iPhone that is your Safari browser. You just have to go on your Safari browser here and search in the search bar like JD Sports discount coupon for 2023, and the first website is the telegraph.com, and this is the best website for getting coupon codes. And there are one or two trusted website, and the top three websites are really genuine website. That is Los Angeles Times, Reuters.com, and the Telegraph.com. You can go through any of them. I will go on the Los Angeles Times here, and for 50% JD Sports Nike sale, click on the view offer option, and you can just click on the offer. And yes, here you will see all the coupon codes for all type of products on the JD Sports or Nike.com. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if you like. We will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. If you have any suggestion, any query, or any confusion regarding a topic, so just drop that into the comment section. Keep watching, keep loving.